Here's how you can change your Facebook password instantly. First, go ahead, open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. Then go to Account Center. From this page, you need to scroll down and tap on Password and Security. And here you get three different sections of login and recovery, security check, and end-to-end encrypted chat. You need to go ahead and tap on this change password option that you will find under the login and recovery section and choose your specific Facebook. Then enter the correct password that is set in your account, followed by the new password that you want to set, and retype the new password that you want to set. And once the passwords match, go ahead, tap on change password in the bottom. But before that, you can check this box to log out of all other devices except this one. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.